of mercy, never ceasing. Call for songs of loudest praise. Teach me some melodious sonnet sung by flaming tongues above. Praise the mountain fixed upon it, mount of thy redeeming love. Here I raise mine Ebenezer, hither by thy help uncome, and I hope by thy good pleasure safely to arrive at home. Jesus sought me when a stranger, wandering from the fold of God, He to rescue me from danger interposed His precious blood. Stand and sing this with us. Oh, to grace, how great a debt daily I'm constrained to be. Let thy grace, Lord, like a fetter, blind my wandering eye to thee. Prone to wander, Lord, I feel it. Prone to leave the God I love. Here's my heart, Lord, take and seal it for thy courts of love. Sing now. Here's my heart, Lord, take and seal it for thy courts of